Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Vertex MrRoy. Perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is one of the important topic in coordinate geometry, and we have some questions to do like. So starting with the explanation first is how we can find the distance between two parallel lines. So for that purpose, I need axes, and secondly, I need two parallel lines, and both the lines both the lines are parallel, so gradient will be same. So we can do one thing. This is y, this is x-axis, lines are parallel. So the equation of this line, I suppose y equals to mx plus c1, and the equation of this line is y equals to mx plus c2. Why c2? Because c means y-intercept. The y-intercept is here, something here. This is y-intercept. This is y-intercept. Sorry, this is not y-intercept. This is x-intercept. The y-intercept will be here. So the y-intercept, this is c1 and this is c2. Okay. So on y-axis we have c1 only, but can you find something on x-axis? What is x-axis? On x-axis, the y is equal to 0. So when I substitute y equal to 0, just observe here. This is 0 comma c1. This is 0 comma c2. But on x-axis, when you substitute y equal to 0, so in this equation, 0 is equals to mx plus c1. And this c will move like in left hand side, and c1 minus c1 upon m, you can get the value of x. Or when you write just this coordinate is, I can suppose this is like c1 upon m, comma, we can write here 0. So this is the coordinate for actually for x-axis. Actually, it means we have something on x-axis, something on x. We can find the coordinate on x-axis, which is called x-intercept. So we have one point. We have one point. The one point, it means that is on x-axis always. So we need one point on x-axis, where y is equal to 0. So we can have x comma 0. This is the coordinate. Okay, we have one point. Then this equation of the line in this form, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. We can write this equation in this form. So now what we have, because we have one point and one equation, and this is the distance we required, which is perpendicular distance here. So now it's very simple to find by using the formula. Equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now we use the same formula, the distance between one point and a line. So what's the formula when we want to find the distance? The formula is in the modulus a x1 plus b y1 plus c divided by under root a squared plus b squared. So it means we have to use the same formula to find the distance between two parallel lines. For this purpose, I have one question. And always remember, the parallel lines always have the same gradient. Okay, this is exercise 7.6, question number 11 onward. In the first question, two parallel lines. We have two parallel lines. So this is and this one. When these two lines are parallel, the gradient will be always same. So find the value of A, the first part. From the first equation, ax plus y minus 1 equal to 0, can we write in the form of y equals to mx plus c? Yes, this will left hand side minus ax and plus 1. Second equation is 2x plus y plus 11 equals to 0, and y is equals to, this shift in right hand side is minus 2x and plus and minus 11 equal we can write. Now just observe, this is y equals to mx plus c. So m is like m, and m is here minus 2, and m is here minus a. So a minus a is equal to minus 2, and a is coming 2, we have done the first part. This is the first part of the question number 11. Now, the main thing, once again, we have the second part here. In the second part, first equation is when we know the value of a is like 2, value of a is 2 now. So we can substitute here. So 2x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. And the second equation is equation 2, 2x plus y plus 11 equals to 0. Like what's the method I told you? We have to substitute. I told you this, we have to substitute y equals to 0 first to get the coordinate on x-axis. We need x-intercept actually. So x-intercept means we need y0. So when I substitute y0, 2x plus 0 is minus 1 equal to 0. So x is coming 1 upon 2. So the coordinates are 1 upon 2 comma 0. We got the coordinate. And we have the equation. So can we substitute the value in the formula? Distance equals to, in the modulus, ax1. A is 2. Like here is ax1. This is b. And this is c. So we can get the value of A is 2, B is 1, C is 11. So formula is AX1, or this is X1Y1. This is here X1Y1. So X1 is 1 upon 2 plus B is 1, B is 1, and Y1 is 0 plus 11 in the modulus. And the modulus means the answer will be always positive if you have the negative answer. Under root. This is a squared, b squared. A is 2 squared and b is 1 squared. Now just we need to simplify the working. 2 and 2 cancel out is coming only 1 plus 0 plus 11 in the modulus divided by 2 squared is 4 plus 1 is under root 5. So you have 12 in positive under root 5. And when you want to, normally we do not write the radical in the denominator, so write multiply and divided by under root 5. A part of chapter 3 in additional maths. So 12 multiplied by under root 5 is 12 under root 5, and under root 5 is only 5, and we got the answer about 12 under root 5 upon 5 units. That's the answer of question number 11. I would like to check the answer of this part, question number 11. The value of A was like 2 and the distance is coming. Exactly, we have done absolutely right. So by this way, we have done question number 11. In question number 12, we see the lines, like this line is parallel to this line. Okay, so it means gradient will be same. I can write one thing, y is equals to ax plus 7 and y equals to 2x minus 3. The gradient is 2, which is m2, and the m1 is a, and the lines are parallel means gradient will be same. m1 is equals to m2. So the value of a is coming 2, first of all. Second part, this second equation is given here. The second equation is this line is perpendicular to this line. So perpendicular means when I write like y equals to bx plus 7, and then when we write second equation y equals to 2x minus 3, so the gradient is gradient of this line is 2 and the gradient of this line is m1 is p and m2 is 2. So when the lines are perpendicular, and these lines are parallel, sign of parallel. So we write b like m1 multiplied by m2 is equals to minus 1. m1 is b multiplied by m2 is equals to minus 1. So the value of b is coming minus 1 upon 2. And we got the value of a and b, which is the first part. In second part, calculate the perpendicular distance between a pair of parallel lines. So it means we are doing the first part these two lines are parallel. So we need to find the distance. So once again, Y in this equation, the value of A is 2x plus 7. From this, I substitute y equals to 0, I told you. And the value of x is coming minus 7 upon 2. So the coordinates on y-axis, which is, sorry, on x-axis, which is y-intercept, minus 7 upon 2, comma 0. And this is the equation, and we write this equation in ax plus by plus c form, and then we can find the distance. So this will become 2x, and y in the right hand side is minus y, minus 3 equal to 0. Now the value of a is 2, b is minus 1, b is minus 1, c is minus 3. This is x1, x1 is minus 7 upon 2, and y1 is 0. Let me substitute the value in the distance between a point and a line, the perpendicular distance. The formula is modulus a x1. A x1 is minus 7 upon 2. Then we have b, y1 is 0, plus c is like minus 3 in the modulus sign. And we write under root a squared plus b squared. A is 2 and b is minus 1. So finally we have 2 to cancel out is minus 7 plus 0 and minus 3. In the modulus means your answer like will become positive. This is 2 squared 4 and 1 is 5. So this is minus 10 will become plus 10 under root 5. And when we remove this under root 5, we have to multiply and divide by under root 5 to remove the denominator from the like under root from the denominator. So it's only 5. It's 10 under root 5, and this cancel out by 2. Final answer is coming 2 under root 5 units, which is the answer of question number 12. Let me check the answer of question number 12. The answer of 12, A is 2, B is minus 1 upon 2, and the distance is coming absolutely right, 2 under root 5. So by this way, we have done question number 12. Moving to question number 13 now. Okay, in question number 13, it's a little bit different here. Let's see. Here, a line through A is perpendicular to this line. Okay, and meets x-axis at point P and y-axis at point Q. So first of all, we need to draw, like, there's no requirement to draw a graph or sketch because normally we are not allowed to draw the sketch in coordinate geometry. But I just to explain you, the 3, 1, the first coordinate is 3, 1 is here. Suppose 3, 1 is here. This is A 3, 1. And a line is passing through. A line is passing through this point, this A, and like this. Okay, and perpendicular to the another line, this line, perpendicular. So I have to draw another line like this. Definitely perpendicular means like this. This is here. Okay, so it means this line is having 90-degree here, first of all, perpendicular. And this line equation is x minus 4y is equals to 8. And the line which is passing through 3, 1, 3, 3, 1 is perpendicular to this line and meets x-axis at point P. Sorry, y-axis, x-axis at point P. And on x-axis we have x comma 0 coordinates and y-axis at point Q. And Q's coordinates will be 0 comma y. Normally we write like this. So this is a complete like here, and what they ask, find the ratio between PA and PAQ. So it means our target is to find PA, distance of PA and distance of AQ. So what is the main target here actually? We need to find a coordinate P and coordinate Q. Now let's start with this question first of all. So for this part, we need to find the equation of this line actually. If you can find the equation of this line, then there is no problem. Okay, the gradient of this line is, you can find from the gradient, x minus 4y is equals to 8. 4 should be positive because y should be positive. So x minus 8, sorry, I think so, x plus 8, and y equals to x plus 8 upon 4 means 1 upon 4, and this is also 4. So the gradient is coming 1 upon 4. Okay, the gradient is 1 upon 4. So the gradient of this line will be minus 4 only. So we know the gradient, we know the value of a. So we can find the equation y minus y1 is equals to m, x minus x1, the equation of straight line, y minus 1 is equals to m is minus 4, and x minus 3. So by this way we can find the equation of this yellow line, which is the required line, minus 4x and plus 12. So y plus 4x is equals to 13. This is the required line. Now, when we got this line, we can find the coordinate like P and Q. So when this line at P, at point P, when y is 0, so I will substitute y is 0, is plus 4x is equals to 13. So x is coming 13 divided by 4. This is, so the coordinates are 13 upon 4 comma 0. This is the first one. And when we substitute like at q, q is 0 comma y. If I'm not wrong, because sometimes minus minus is plus. I think this is right. Yes. So at q, x is 0. So I will put the value here in this equation. Y plus 4 times 0 is equals to 13. So y is coming 13. So the coordinates are 0 comma 13. This is coordinate q and this is coordinate p. So we have two coordinates p and q, and also the coordinate a. Now our target is to find the ratio. Ratio means we like have a method, another method. You can find the distance pa. You can find the distance, like I would like to explain. If you want to find the distance between P and A, even you can find the ratio method. We have a ratio method here. The ratio method, if I want to use the ratio method, it's also easy. Okay, I normally use this method in vectors. Otherwise, you can find the distance P in AQ and divide. The ratio method is what, if I'm not wrong, we write x uh, 3 minus x2 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the ratio actually. uh, I would this I use in vectors. Let me explain you. Suppose this is the line and there are 3 points. First point, second point is here, third point is here. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. And you want to find the ratio between the this part and this part, because so a upon b will be equals to, for a upon b you can use x or you can use y. There is no problem. It's the easiest method. For here, when you want to write x, you write x2 minus x1 because you're talking about like a. When you're talking about b, you have to use x3 minus x2. Even you can use with the same thing with y. y2 minus y1 divided by y3 minus y2. You will be getting the same answer. So when I applied this part here, I want to remove everything because the main target is what? Only this one. Okay. This is, requirement is PA. This is the easiest method. Okay. PA is here. This is, we can suppose A, and AQ is here. We can suppose P absolutely. So PA divided by AQ, and you can use either X or Y, is up to you. So I'm using the value of I can use value of y. So I will write y2 minus y1. Y2 minus y1 means I have to, like, you can suppose you can take her value of y here. X is here 13 upon 4 comma 0, and q is 0 comma 13. Okay, so 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, and you can write here 1 minus 13, 1 minus 13. So minus 1 divided by minus 12 is coming 1 upon 12. So the right answer is 1 ratio 12. If you want to use x, I think so there is no problem. You can use x. 13, let me check. Otherwise, I think so we have done it. Let me check the answer of this part first of all. Answer is, yeah, we have done it right. Absolutely right. You can even you can use a distance formula. Okay, if I use PA upon AQ with not y, with x, like x2 minus x1 divided by x3 minus x2. So x2 minus x1 means I have to, like, here. Mm, okay, 13 minus 13 upon 4 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 0. Oh, let's see. I hope this answer should be right. So this is, when we take the LCM, is coming 13. Sorry, LCM is coming 4. I'm using different color for this numerator. Answer is coming 4. 13 minus 12. Okay, and this is coming only 3. Okay, let's see moving forward. 13 minus 12 is 1. 1 upon 4, and this is 3. Okay, 1 upon 4 divided by 3 is equals to 1 upon 4 multiplied by, this will become like 1 upon 3. So absolutely is coming 1 upon 12 means 1 ratio 12, because I know this answer with y will be easy to find because there is no fractional value. So by this way we have done question number 13. Let's see question number 14 now. In question number 14, we have three coordinates A, B, and C. Find the equation of AB. I think so there is no problem to find the equation. I hope so you can find this equation easily by using the method, finding gradient and using the equation. The line through C perpendicular to this line. Okay. I always like here to help you out. I need to draw the sketch to explain you. Sometime, like, but remember, we do not need to draw the sketch in the exam. A line through C perpendicular to this line. A line through C meets AB at point P. So it means when you have, like, equation, we don't need the axis actually. We have a line AB. When you got the equation of line AB, suppose AB is here. This is A, and this is B, and the C is somewhere else. I don't know, but just here, the line through C perpendicular to line this. This is y minus, okay. So I have to draw like this, another line. This is imaginary, just to explain you. A line is here. This line is y minus 4x is equals to 5. And the given line, a line which is we need, that line is perpendicular to this line, perpendicular to this line, white line. This is perpendicular 90 degree. So it means the gradient is here. Like when you find a gradient is what? Y is equals to 4x plus 5. The gradient of this line is 4. So the gradient of this line will be minus 1 upon 4. Because of this line, we can find the gradient of this line. Okay. Now it's given this line is also passing through C. Okay, somewhere we can write C is here. C is about 10, 8. So do you think when I write C here, suppose when I write C here, suppose C is here, because we are not drawing this exact sketch. Can you find the equation of this line? Because 10, 8 coordinates and this we can find the equation y minus 8 and gradient is minus 1 upon 4 x minus 10. So 4y 32 minus x and plus 10. So 4y plus x is equals to 42. We got the equation. Okay, equation is here. This equation of this line is 4y plus x is equals to 42. But this line is also like here, the line through C, which has the gradient minus 1 upon 4 because of this perpendicular line, meets line through C meets the line AB at point P. Okay, P. Calculate the coordinate of P. So coordinate of P means what we need. Okay, I'm solving this question for you. For this coordinate, we know the equation of AB, which is the A part. So let me find the equation. Gradient of AB is uh, coming 9 minus or 3 minus 13 and 9 minus 4. So the gradient is coming minus 10 divided by 5 is minus 2. Okay. Gradient of this line is minus 2. So y minus, we can take any one of the coordinate. I'm taking b. Y minus 3 is equals to minus 2 if I'm not wrong. Yes, x minus 9. So y minus 3 is equals to minus 2x and minus minus is plus 18. Final equation is coming y plus 2x is equals to 3. When we move right hand side is coming 21. Okay, the equation of this line is y is equals to y plus 2x is equals to 21. Okay, we know the equation of this line. We know the equation of this line. To find p, we need to do the simultaneous equation. Find p. Okay, I'm finding p first. So this equation is I can substitute the value y is equals to 21 minus 2x. And this value I can substitute in this equation. So it's coming 4 y is 21 minus 2x plus x is equals to 42. So it's coming 84 minus 8x. Sometimes mistakes are possible, so sorry for that. This is minus 7x and 42 minus 84 is coming again minus 42 and x is coming 6. Okay, minus minus cancel out. So x is coming 6. We got the value 6x. Now y, we can substitute this value in this equation. So y is equals to 21 minus 2 times 6 is coming 21 minus 12 is coming 9, I think so. Yes, 9. So the coordinates are 6 and 9. Calculate the coordinates of P. Let me check the answer of P first, because if P is right, then we can work on the ratio. P is 6, 9. P is 6, 9, so it means we doing excellent, we are doing right. Okay, we got the coordinate of P. The next target is the ratio method. Okay, what's the ratio method? And the ratio method we need AP and PB. AP and PB. A, where is A? Okay, we need now this target. We don't need these lines. We don't need anything now. We need only these coordinates. Our target is only like these coordinates. Okay, A is 4, sorry, A is 413, B is 69, and B is 93. Okay. Ratio method I'm using. You can use the distance formula. You can find AP distance. You can find PB distance. And when you divide, the answer will be definitely what you need. But my method is a little bit different. I use A, B, X1, Y1, X2, Y2, and X3, Y3. And the ratio method is what? When you want to find A upon B, A upon B means you can use X2 minus X1. This formula is not like same. It's sometimes is depend upon x3 minus x2. And one more thing, when you want to find the complete ratio divided by b, you have to use x3 minus x1. Let's see. I will explain what we need actually. We need AP and PB. It's very simple. AP and PB. I think so. There is no much. You can use x, so you can use y. There is no problem. It's very easy. So AP is this part. We can use 6 minus 4. When you use 6 minus 4, then you have to use this like this. And 9 minus 6. So is coming 2 and is coming 9. And the ratio between AP and even you can use distance formula. Let me check the answer is coming 2 ratio 9 and we have done it absolutely right. Next question, because the video is going to like lengthy and we have two questions more. Let's see if I could explain you in like equation of this line, the equation of the sides AB, okay, uh, AB, BC, and AC, like we have a triangle, I think so. Yes, triangle. And we can draw a like triangle here and find the equation of the line through C perpendicular to AB. Okay, I would like to explain you, we don't need this. This shape, like this is not exact triangle, this is like it can be changed. This is A, this is B, this is C, and equation of AB is given here y equals to 2x, and equation of BC is y equals to 3x, and equation of this part is x plus y is equals to 8, and we need to find the equation of a line through C and perpendicular to AB. It means we need to draw another line passing through C and perpendicular like this. So perpendicular means this is 90-degree here and this C is coordinates. Okay, this is a lengthy question, but I will explain this how to do this question. So can you find the equation of this line? So first of all, we need to find the equation of the line through C means we need the coordinates of C. So the coordinates of C, I have to use these two equations to find the coordinates because these two lines are intersecting at point C. So y3x I can substitute in this equation. So x plus 3x is equals to 8, 4x is equals to 8, and x is coming 2. And this 2 I can substitute here. So y is coming 3 times 2 means 6. So the coordinates of C are 2, comma 6. Okay, we got the coordinate. And you observe one thing here. What's the gradient of this line? Gradient of this line is 2. So the gradient of this line will be definitely as a perpendicular line. So this will be minus 1 upon 2. So, I think so we can find the equation. Y minus 6, 1 upon 2, negative x minus 2, 2y minus 12, minus x plus 2, 2y plus x, and is equals to or is equals to 14. This is the equation of the line passing through C and perpendicular. Let me check the answer of this part. This, are we like doing right? This is 14. Y is equals to minus 2x plus 21. Oh, we're talking about 15. X plus 2y is equals to 14. X plus 2y is equal to 14. Yes, we have done it right. Absolutely. Now, we got the equation. The line meets this line. This green line meets x-axis at point P. Okay, so it means we do not need anything now. Just to explain like how we can work on it now. This line intersect x-axis and y-axis, so we need the axis here to explain you. Okay, suppose like this, we can, okay, this is okay. I'm not sure, but I'm trying my best to explain you actually, because 2, 6 should be in the first quadrant. So let's see what we can do. We can do P, if I draw this line 2, 6. Okay, let's see. Uh, it should be like this. If I draw this line here, like axis, and this line C is like 2, 6 should be here actually. That's why I'm just telling you. So I can, and negative gradient means the line should be like this. Exact, I want to explain you. The C is somewhere here. C should be here like 216, 26. This is C. Okay, we got C here now. Okay. This line, because we're not drawing the exact sketch, we are not allowed. I just want to explain you. You can use on x-axis is P and on y-axis is Q. Let me find the coordinates of P and Q, then I will explain without the diagram. So this equation, what was the equation of this line? Equation of this line was, uh, I removed x plus 2y is equal to 14. X plus 2y is equals to 14. So this is 0 comma y, and this is x comma 0. These coordinates are fixed. So when I do 0, 0 means I can get the value of y is coming 7. So this is 0, 7. And when I substitute y0, so x is coming 14. So this is coming like 14 comma 0. Okay. You have p uh, 14 comma 0, everything is here. Now ratio is required PC divided by CQ. I'm sorry when I do some mistake, please ignore. I'm trying my best to explain this question. So PC and CQ. So it means what we can use x or you can use y is up to you. I want to use x 14 minus like 4, 2 minus 14. I'm writing 2 minus 14, there is no problem. Then 0 minus 2. So is coming minus 12 upon minus 2. And is coming minus 6. Sorry, plus 6. So 6 upon 1 actually. So we can write 6 ratio 1. Let me check the answer of this part. Is coming 2, 3. No, the answer, no, yes, is 6, 1. Answer is right. We have done absolutely the right this question. The last question is question number 16. Let me check. The line this intersect the y-axis. Again, the video is becoming very lengthy. So let me see if the question is not lengthy, then I'll explain. The line this is intersect at like y. Y means uh, y-axis 0 comma y. So coordinates of A are 0 comma y. You can put 0 here in the equation, you can get the y. The point B and C are on this line are such that AB equals to BC, okay? AB equals to BC means B is the midpoint. B is the midpoint of A and C. This is very important part. The line through B perpendicular to line. I think so. This question seems to be like similar to what we have done. once again, I would like to say this, we have done this question. When still, if you have some problem with this question number 16, just let me just write in the comments. So I will write the solution and make a picture, and I will upload the picture of question number 16. So once again, thank you so much for watching my video. I would like to say the same thing. Just please subscribe my channel, like my video, and once again, thank you so much, and have a nice day.